Welcome to Learn Center. Today I will discuss about the abstract class and abstract method in Java. What is abstract class in Java? Abstract class is a restricted class that cannot be used to create an object. To access it, it must be inherited from another class. Abstract method can only be used in an abstract class and it cannot have a body. The body is provided by the subclass inherited form. Let us discuss an example of abstract class. In this current example, I am having a class called worker. It having some data members, supposing a name. It having some data members, name, employee number, and salary. Here I am creating an object of a scanner class, and in this example I am having two methods: get data, which will accept value from user, and put data, it will display the value input by the user. Please notice it, a method is here, name as get HRA. Only its declaration is there, no body is presented here. So this is an abstract method. So any class contains an abstract method, that is undefined method, then the whole class is treated as a abstract class. And we cannot create the instance of an object abstract class and cannot run the method. For that we need to take help of a child class. Here in my example I am having two child class. The current child class is called officer, which extends the previously shown class worker, and get HRA was my abstract method. It is defined in this officers class, supposing it is 60% of the basic salary, and it will be calculated and display. There is another implementation that is also the child class of the previously shown worker class. Here the implementation is 50%. So implementation is different for the different type of employees. So now I am in the main class. In the main class I am creating the first child class officer and the defined method get data and put data, and newly defined method get HRA, which is in the officer class. And I am creating the second object, second child class object manager, and I am calling the defined method in the parent class, and I am also calling the newly defined method in the manager class. So if I run it, it will give me the expected value. So I am giving input name Amol, employee number 1001, salary supposing 75,000. So these are the value accepted by the officer class member. Now I will input for the manager class. Bimol, employee number supposing 2002, salary supposing 95,000, and these are the value of the manager class. So this is an implementation of a abstract class. So the class contain an undefined method that is called abstract method. If a class contain an abstract method, the whole class is treated as an abstract class. In that case, it need to be implemented in the child class, and child class will define the undefined method, and finally we can create the object of the child class, and we will call the defined method and undefined method of the parent class. So this is an example of an abstract class and abstract method. Thank you for listening us.